The CM Solar Mission is a flagship initiative by the government of Meghalaya, implemented by the Meghalaya New and Renewable Energy Development Agency (MNREDA). Its goal is to make the state energy resilient and environmentally sustainable. The mission offers a variety of solar systems to meet different needs. CM Solar Mission is a program designed to be affordable and accessible. Small households only need to contribute 10% of the cost. The state government covers the rest, providing a 15-90% subsidy with the remaining amount for larger systems covered by simple bank loans. To apply for the CM Solar Mission scheme, you can consult with MNREDA and submit your application through the district administration or contact your nearest block development officer (BDO).
Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shreya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.
Kawi ke bos walai Hyderabad Bengaluru the inkau go hadien watara go thuk-thuk ha ulin dapadu hajan kurnol ini step hypor kamale je hadok listen kani ke bos ke cavalry troubles the kit go so ngut wa angut go ya hypor waji ini tara ke bos hadien watara go thuk-thuk de kop ding go wa go em hapo atau go em hapo diliau san hadok so paus na mirta wa go like the yut gi de wotam pia ye gi emergency exit ke bos ki pulit do angki wa ya ke bos to ugudi pati Siva Narayana wa gani ke bos to ke AC sleeper bus haiwa ya churu ba kiwi de laki kat ba bon bha de success gi apa de am chpangut ke monsu wa de kit yaki cha government general hospital ka kurnul haini ija de ar phangut ke yap ne ba wa bon ki wa chong apa ka bus de yo thia ge por ji ai ni u chief minister ka Andhra Pradesh u en Chandra Babu Naidu de pha wi ki bor district bo e rap sumar de ba pakka ya ki monso